Yeah, finally gonna have a go at doing my radiator fan. Been a long time coming. 1, 2, and there's 2 at the bottom, 1 plug, and I guess it's gonna have to come out the bottom. Might be able to wiggle it out the top, who knows. The 4 bolts undone. I'm going to try and bring it out from the top because underneath I don't feel like I got enough room to slide it out. Scrap that out, I had a little wiggle around and it fell out from underneath. So yeah, should I try and get her out now? Ah, success! And this is the cause of my disasters, I believe. Ain't great setup, is it? But apparently these do fail anyway. Dead easy to get out, guys. Out with the old, in with the new old. But that's got to be healthier, surely. It hasn't had a good time. So I'm going to clean this plug out again. Make sure that the contact inside is up together. Down in there. But yeah, hole, rad hole. So I just went from up underneath, slid her back up and in. Placed her, she literally hangs in situ while I do the bolts up. Put the plug back in. And I can move on to this lambda sensor. Alright, get this 4th bolt in and do the plug up. And that should hopefully be a fix. Because this has been driving me mental for a long time. Right, get a plug back in. And that should be a job done. In theory. So, if we start the car up, the fans have been coming on constantly, so started the car up, fans come straight back on, not impressed. Followed back and I've pulled the fuse box apart. Now there's clear signs of water being in here, so I'm currently spraying it all out, trying to do something with it. Right, so I cut the plug off, got the old Crowfoot 22 out, took the old lambda sensor out. Just going to do the new one up with a trusty adjustable, give it a pinch of whatever's about. I forgot to film it, to be honest, but she's out, the new one's in. The new one's obviously got the plug on. I'm going to snug it tight and then scan the car again, and hopefully some progress would have been made, but I'm fully expecting it to do nothing like normal at this point. Bloody thing. The car's fired up. Try and have a look, see if we got any joy with this sensor. Engine control module, let's go. Finally, I've got a coolant fan trouble code. Would you believe it? Right. Right, so the plan is take it for a little drive quick and make sure that, fingers crossed, I pray that engine management light stays off and we have a happy time with the O2 sensor. Initially, the engine light is off. That is better than I've had for a while now, so this, obviously I've just cleared the codes. Let's see how we get on. So far so good for a change, actually seems to not have thrown any codes, but we're going to go down the road, gonna pull over and I'm going to re-scan it, see if anything's popped up. That's running nice. Honestly can't remember the last time, but the left side of the dash had no lights on. Right, see what mega mind of faults it comes back with today, after we've replaced a load of parts and cleared them all and gone for a drive. Just the coolant fan one. Bloody hell. Imagine if my engine management's actually happy mind. Well, yeah, it appears that something has actually gone correct for a change. Seems like that has done a fix on the lambda. So hopefully it has. Be amazing if it has. Here, I expect we could get pulled over live on camera now. Pull over. But no, car seems to be running night and day better. Get this little fan issue finally sorted, and then I think it's definitely time to get it mapped. Alright, so let's go again. Just been out for a bit, we're just back at the house. And it's back, just as I suspected. Fantastic. But sometimes I actually want to blow this thing up. So yeah, it appears I can fix everyone else's car, but I can't fix my own. The whole weekend, its travels, everything that come with it, was messing around and didn't actually achieve anything. So yeah, amazing. Love cars. Happy mechanics. The saga continues.